you do it, your lungs will be very good, your belly will be good, never have any cardio problem, you will never have any stomach issue, you will never have any like flu, some all things, but you need to do minimum 30 times every day morning without food. No food. But how many times?
30.
30 times every day. Listen. Then one breathe and exhale. If you can do 40 times, if you have time, then you can do it. Listen. Second thing is this. Second thing is the, so this will go slow breathing, he will go chanting inside, and this all, everything is single. Second thing is the faster. Breathe in, 30 times do it, and breathe out, Shivaya. The belly will be pain. You do it. Again, breathe in. You should pain, little paining here. Third now. So first look at me first. Breathe in. Sorry, breathe out. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. First, slow first, then slowly. So first is the breathe in and breathe out slowly, pronounced. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. 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 Force. Breathe out. Breathe in. 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 Breathe out. Faster. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, deep breathing. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. So this is the third one. So what I teach you, do you remember all the things? First what I teach?
Inhale.
Belly should be in completely. And hold the as much you can, hold the breath. Again, inhale slowly. Hold that breath out.
Namah Shivaya.
Bring your pure and beautiful energy. Breathe in and slowly breathe out.
Feel it?
No. Breathe in, slowly breathe out. Breathe in, 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 breathe out. Relax. Okay, relax. So this if you do every day, this is how much time already you spend here? 1 hour. 40 minutes at least are you getting here. Do you have time this thing?
1 minute time. Without practice tomorrow.
You have time? Okay, daily you have to practice. I'll tell you never will happen any disease in your body. Like if you do bad way, like you do something accident or something, but your chest, your belly will be strong. It's only something is this. This is to Vastika, Kapalbhati, everything inside all this kriya. And also chanting, your brain will be peaceful, will be all surrender.